Welcome to the realm of intoxicating flavors and head-banging beer reviews.
What's up, everybody? It's the Ginger Yeti, and I'm checking in from the road. I'm here today at Dynamo Festival in Eindhoven, Netherlands, and today was the last show of the tour. Whitechapel's already played, just waiting on our bus call later this evening to head to the airport, and then off we head for home. So this was probably going to be my last road review for a couple weeks. And what I have for you today is a very famous Dutch beer. It's called Grolsch Premium Pilsner. And I'm sure everybody knows what this is. It's not anything special, not some crazy beer. It's just a good old Pilsner. So I'm just going to get it in the can here. It's 5% alcohol, 28 IBUs. It's the beer we had backstage. Well, on Untappd, it gets a 3.26 with 287,000 check-ins. On Beer Advocate, it gets a 73 okay with 2,150 check-ins. Since it has that many check-ins, I'll give you the aggregate score, which is a 3.15 on Beer Advocate. I'm using the iconic plastic cup, and I just totally destroyed that pour. I mean, that is one of the worst pours I've done in a while. But I'll get it in the nose. Hopefully this head dies down. It smells slightly hoppy. It does have just a very fine hint of that Euro lager smell. Not exactly skunky, but it's a kind of Euro lager smell. And just some slight hops. And that's about all I'm getting out of it. Hopefully this head will die down a little bit, because look at that. That looks like I used a side pull tap to pour this beer. You can sort of see through the bottom of it now, and that is just crystal clear. I mean, that is super clear, light yellow. I can even see my face through it in the camera. I mean, that is just really, really clear. And that head's not dying down at all. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and try it. If you can hear the noise in the background, obviously, like I said, I'm out here at a festival. The band playing right now is Amaranthe. They're a Swedish band. And hopefully you can hear me over them. Cheers, everybody. Got that foam all over my face. I was able to get through the head a little bit. And that's just light, crisp, nice little hoppy bitterness. And it's what it's supposed to be. It's a Pilsner. It'd probably be a lot better if I didn't pour that much head into the glass. But it's a really serviceable beer. It's a nice beer. Nice for this beautiful day out here. Nice beer for drinking at the festival. Like I said, it's just a nice, crisp, clean, slightly hoppy, easy to drink Pilsner. I mean, this is probably one of the true Pilsners outside the Czech Republic. This is a great beer. I'd give this a big horns up. Hope you all been giving my road reviews big horns up and my backstage reviews big horns up. If you do, let me know down below in the comments. Do you enjoy these reviews? I enjoy making them, but a lot of times it's hard to find the time to do them and the place to do them, especially with all the noise going on around here. But like I said, if you like them, let me know down below. And as always, embrace the adventure.